Okay, so tonight we're going to talk about we're going to get away a little bit from what we've been working on. I want to make some more progress on that because I think I'm kind of getting to a boring part. So tonight I'm going to talk about a topic that I think has a great deal of interest, and that is Solana. And what we're going to talk about is Solana has this kind of a cool, let me see if I can bring this down a little bit lower. I'll make it a little bigger. It's a challenge. So the Solana challenge gives you a number of different things you can try. Introduction to Rust, creating a roulette game, creating a calculator with Rust. You can also do stuff with the CLI, which is what I'm going to do. The NFT mining, we've done a little bit of this. You can use JavaScript to create your own crypto. You can create a messaging and smart contract, which I think is going to be I think I'd like to go work on this one. I think people would find that interesting. You can also create your own personal tokens, your own wallet, or even contribute to the Solana cookbook. Now, this is kind of interesting. You can earn Sol. And this could be very interesting. I don't mind earning Sol. So, first thing you have to do, I like to play in the test validator because I don't have to worry about anything. So we got our little test validator here. Let me make sure you can see it. I think it's this. Yes. Okay. Now, one thing I want to point out about this is I ran into some issues trying to get this started because I tried to download just when they talk about you can do just a curl to pull it down. Well, the standard one does not work on this machine. It will give you an error, and the error will be, if you look in the log, let me come up here and show you. I ran Solana test validator ledger, and it said CUDA is disabled, AVX detected, it needs AVX to support. This is an older machine, it didn't like it. So I had to go back to the older one I had, or actually, you can also rebuild it, which is what I may do, is just rebuild with the newer version. But for our purposes tonight, this should work fine. So you can see now it is running, doing its thing. And we're connected, you ran the connect command earlier to simply connect to the, see if I can find that command. And if you recall, we worked with Solana earlier, we worked with the test validator earlier. Let's see. Well, the command, I ran a command, here we go. Oh no, that's the faucet. I was trying to use the faucet, which you don't need to do here. You can just use an airdrop. And somewhere around here I connected. Oh, it may have been the other window. Well, at any rate, I'm connected to the network here. And we are going to try the very simple challenge. Let's see, where did it go? The CLI challenge. So we're going to go through and do this step by step. So I've already installed the tools. And again, I mentioned this may not work on an old machine. You're going to have to go and actually build it, which they do make relatively easy. Let me see if I can find the, is this it? Oh no, this is something else. Basically you have to go to the Solana GitHub. You have to pull it down, and from there you have to, well, they actually do have a fairly simple command to build it. So, let's see. So we have this. That's already on. You can use Cargo to install that. The wallet, I already have a wallet. And again, this will generate your wallet. I'm sure you're not seeing any of this. Hang on. So let me bring that up. Let me show you. It's this. There we go. Let's go back here. So again, you install the tools. And again, like I said, this may not work. You may have to build it from scratch. And if you want to see that again, we can certainly make a video on that. You run the Cargo install to do the token CLI, which I already have. And create a wallet. Again, you can just use the keygen new. And you use an airdrop, which is Solana airdrop, and then the number that will drop coins to your wallet. And now we get to the good stuff, creating a token. So it's very simple. We just do this command here, which is, now I'm going to have to bring this up. Okay. So it's SPL. Let's clear this out here. SPL. It's going to do a little SPL token create token. So avoid typos. And oh, that's right. I have to use bin here. And that creates our token. And this is the name of our token. Okay? So now we have a token. And the next step is to mint new tokens. There are actually two steps. The first one is and I don't know if I think this may, I don't know if I need the to actually do the HTTPS, but we can if we need to. So create account and then put the token. So this is essentially making a new, if you will, wallet. Like just how when you go and you have your Ledger wallet or your wallet on wherever you have your wallet, it will say you'll have your BTC and your ETH and SOL or whatever you have. This is creating it for this token. And again, I forgot the bin. That has to do with the fact that I am using a very specific thing. So great, we have an account now. Now we have an account, so this is all wallet for the GSNZD, whatever we're calling this token number is. And now we want to mint. So what we're going to do here is, and hopefully you should see, yeah, good. We're going to do bin SPL token mint, we're going to do 10, and we're going to use the account that we created here. And what you should have when this is done, there you go. So now, let me see. See if this is the one. Don't know. So this command here should get us the information on this account, this address, which is my main address. And this is the balance of the Sol. But let's try, see what happens when I do this. Yeah, because it looks like I got, yeah, this is the token, and you can see 0.0, I got 10 of these little tokens. I don't know what they mean, but that is your token challenge. And there are plenty more. Let me bring the website up again. Let's go back here. There's plenty more you can do. Actually, I don't even know how far this one goes. We minted, you can, guess the next step is limiting supply and burning. So, I guess there is more you can do here. So we haven't quite finished it. There's, oh, you can even name it. I want to, well, let's, you know what? Let's keep going here a little bit. So let's bring this back up. So now, you should go. Okay, so bin, and we got SPL token authorize. Oh, let's see, SPL token supply. Let's start there. Somehow I think if you don't do it in the right order, and let's say 100,000. Oh, I left out the address. And our address is this copy. Oh. Looks like it added some extraneous things here. For some reason the copy paste is kind of weird. Alright, that should. Okay. Token supply. Oh, okay. I didn't. Token supply and then the address. So, token supply, I didn't need this. And this says 10. So that's how many there are. and I don't want to disable it or burn it. And you can distribute it when you have your whole network, and this explains how you can do that. You can transfer tokens to other accounts. Now, one thing we could try I'm going to try token transfer to my account. If it's still token transfer, and you would do your token account address, the amount to the, so in this case it would be let's see, create account. So it's this 2QH thing. Copy. Well, that's interesting. Doesn't even show that. Now, how are you going to ever find that again? Let's see. Paste. Oh, you know what? I wonder if it's when you generate, it's just that is the token itself, and this 2Q, we'll look at that in a second, 2, and I'm going to try if I can get to it. Okay. Let's see what you're seeing. Okay. What I'm going to do here is bring this down a little bit so I can get my account. Didn't like something. Think it was taking its, let's see, let's try that again. I'm trying to get my password right now. Okay. Because I want to get my Phantom account and see if I can send something to it. And which is connected to the local host. So let's see what happens here. No, I would have to have a token account. Let me see something here. And excuse me. We're going to get the token account. So I'd actually have to create a token account for my oh, there we go. So this says what I have, my token account, and says I have something worth about 2.039 something sold. So, but let's see, this goes, I think it goes, how many steps we got here? Naming your tokens. So what you'd have to do, let's see, if you want your token, you need to send a pull request. So you have to do this if you want to actually name your token. So anyway, this is just an example of one of the challenges, and the ones that I said really caught my eye is the messaging app, and I think there would be some interest in using a smart contract to create a personal token. So anyway, hopefully you found this interesting, and I will speak to you next time. Take care.